Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into e to the power of s to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about the u equals to e to the power of s ds. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. E to the power of s ds we change by du. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 minus sine t square. Later that we change cosine t square. We simplify the square root and du. Du we have cosine t dt. After we do first derivative of sine t, you got about cosine t. So this one we change by u. And similar this one. Du we change by cosine t dt. This one we change cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square, we have cosine t. Now we simplify cosine t on numerator and denominator. The integration of number 1, we have t. The integration of sine t, we have negative cosine t. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we got about t equals to arc sine of u. So we need to change the value of t into arc sine of u. About u, that is about e to the power of s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.